In this section, you can select the pricing in 3 stages: basic, standard, and premium. You can tick the boxes in front of the deliverables under each package, and in case we have missed any point, you can write about them in the following columns of other inclusions and does not include. You can also disable the standard and premium packages by clicking on the checkbox at the top. Select the time of delivery and price. Please remember that the price bundle and the time of delivery should be different under each packages. We also suggest our experts to keep 3 things in mind while creating the packages. Point number 1. Keep it real and competitive. Check out other seller prices on marketplaces to help you create a package which rightfully values your skills. Do not put unfairly low prices to get leads. Point number 2. 18% GST is added to the service package. 10% GIGSO service free and 2 to 7% of TDS is deducted at the time of payment. Please ensure that the prices you put is feasible to you after all the deductions. Point number 3. Always keep a buffer time of delivery of 4 to 5 days, as the client may ask for a refund in case of non-delivery of work within the promised time. Once you're through this section, save your entries and click on Portfolio for the next step.